Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new Healy dual fuel pneumatic forklift with a cab. Model number is CPQYD18KU1H. This forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you're ready to buy, lease, or rent, give us a call. Let's take a quick tour. This forklift has a base capacity of 3,500 pounds, and it runs on dual fuel. So that, in this case, that is gasoline and LP. Now you'll see inside that we have four-way hydraulics. This fourth function is an open function. And while we're on this side, I'll mention that it has a cup holder, and here's very easy, convenient switches there for your windshield wiper and your heater. Speaking of that heater's right there on the door, so it keeps your operator nice and comfortable. Now coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 185 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. This forklift will come with your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. Now looking at the tires, these are black traction solid pneumatic tires, and coming up here to the front, we have dual rear view mirrors, as well as these ultra bright headlights on the front. Let me get those turned on for you. Ultra bright lights on the front, as well as these combination lights up on the top that have those running lights as well as your turn signals. Now coming inside of the cab, there are lots of great features in here, and this is every operator's dream, especially here in Ohio. So starting up there on the top, I do want to show you that the roof is clearly visible through that roof to see the load that you're lifting up. It also has, well, I should mention that convex rear view mirror, as well as this steering wheel knob and a fully adjustable steering column. The seat itself is a very comfortable, fully adjustable full suspension seat that moves forwards and backwards and adjusts here with the back tilt. And it also has that orange high visibility safety belt. And while I'm over here, I'll mention that it has that paper clip. Now back in that back corner, we have that rear pillar handle with a horn that keeps a horn at your operator's thumb at all times, even when they're backing up. And we have that operator fan, as well as a dome light. As I mentioned, this cab is great for all 4 seasons that Ohio throws at us, because these windows easily slide open to get ventilation in there for your operator in the summer, but like I mentioned, in the winter, it's heated and warm. Now on the back, you'll see that we have those rear combination lights with the brakes, the turn signals, and your reverse light. And up on the top, we have that movable magnetic yellow strobe. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions, or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.